If you deliver exceptional value, you never have to worry about being out of work. So I left a 6-figure position, and of course I had my business going, but that was an income dip, right? But I had to remind myself that I deliver exceptional value. And so even when there's chaos going on, I need you to understand that you have to always strive to exceed expectations. So you don't have to worry about inflation. You don't have to worry about being laid off. You don't have to worry about the tariffs. You don't have to worry about any of that when you recognize that you deliver exceptional value. Now, may that impact you? Absolutely. It will, but you won't feel it. If you are delivering exceptional value and your boss comes in and says, we're shutting down, which actually happened to me, by the way. I was a full-time faculty with Limestone University, and they just said they're shutting down. And my initial response was like, oh my God, what am I going to do? And then I realized you got multiple revenue streams, okay? I hope somebody caught that. So if you get that type of news, yes, you might be a little anxious, but you can calm yourself by reminding yourself of the value that you provide. And so I need you to work on you. I need you to keep getting better. This is what I've been talking about during my keynotes. In this season, you want to be so good at what you do that you have more opportunities coming your way than you can handle. You want to be so good at the work that you do that you never have to look for work. The work will find you. The opportunities will find you. The sponsors will find you. The event planners will find you. My God, the HR people will find you. You won't have to sweat. You won't have to worry. Why? Because you're operating out of your gift. Why? Because you always deliver more than what they expected. The only people who have to worry, and I know somebody's not going to like this, the only people who have to worry when something like that happens are the people who are mediocre and the people who are lazy, the people who always show up late, the people who are always calling out sick, the people who are always finding excuses. Those are the people who need to be concerned. But if you show up, if you deliver exceptional value, if you prepare for every interview, you prepare for every opportunity, you don't take any opportunities for granted. If you're dependable, if you're relatable, if you're able to communicate effectively, listen, you don't have anything to worry about. The opportunities will find you. Let's go.